Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equal to s sin s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of s multiplied by sin s plus first derivative of sin s multiplied by s, and we have the s in here. This one you got about number 1, so we just write about sin s. This one you got about cosine s. So this one we change by u. S cosine s ds. S cosine s and sin s. We have the s in here, so we change by the u. And this one we can write into u to the power of negative 2023 du, because if we want to this one go to numerator, we need to have the negative sign in here. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have u to the power of negative 2023 plus 1 over negative 2023 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one in here we have negative 2022, similar for this one. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end.